Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the audio in Icloud Drive and preparing it for iPhone use. First, make sure the file is in Files and in a compatible format like M4A. This matters because iOS expects certain containers. Next, trim the clip to 30 seconds or less. Ringtones longer than that won't always work. Once done, rename the file so you can find it quickly during import. These initial steps avoid wasted time later and ensure now you use GarageBand to convert and install the clip as a ringtone. Open GarageBand and create an audio recorder project. This gives you an editable track. Use the loop icon to import the file from Icloud Drive directly into the timeline and place it at the start. Trim or fade as needed so it sounds good as a short alert. Once satisfied, tap the project menu, choose Share, then Ringtone to package it in the correct format for iOS. Finish by exporting and assigning the ringtone. When GarageBand prompts after export, choose Use Sound As and set it as your standard ringtone or assign to a contact. If you don't see the ringtone in Setting Sounds, make sure iCloud Drive is synced and GarageBand has files access. Permissions can block import. Also confirm the clip is under 30 seconds. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and re-export from GarageBand. That usually resolves lingering sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.